What's going on, YouTube? So I just got this in. This is the Swampfox Justice 2 1x30 green dot sight. It's the RMR footprint shake and wake 6 MOA dot. Just got it in. I have the Trigicon SRO, and I heard that this is a lower priced SRO. Let's see if that's true. Comes with Swampfox stickers. That's pretty cool. Cleaning cloth. Got a bunch of screws. Looks like a tool. Another. And then here, it's a pretty big looking sight. Looks like it comes with a guard. This is a big guard for it. And here we go. Look at the window on this thing. It does not come with a battery, so I gotta buy the battery. So here's the tool screwed out. Put your screws. So I'll be installing this on this gun, my Zev oz9, which is RMR cut. I've been wanting to get a red dot, but didn't really feel like spending a bunch of money on the Trigicon RMR. So I figured this would be perfect. So I'm gonna mount it. I'm gonna install it on this gun and hopefully try it out. Let you guys know how it goes. So I got it mounted. I'm using the same screws because I had already bought Zev screws for the mounting plate. So these same screws should work. You put it tight, but you don't want to put it too tight where you end up stripping the screw. So far, and there you go. I gotta put now the battery and test it out. So here we go. Got the, see the green dot, 6 MOA dot. Guys, I really like this thing. Look how it looks next to the SRO. I don't know if I got, you guys can see the window size. But this thing is nice. Now the only thing left for me to do is to shoot it and see how the dot holds up, that it doesn't flicker on and off. But guys, it's based off just the look and the quality and what it comes with. I'm liking it so far. So stay tuned for part 2.